Hi, I'm going to talk about the famous inverted Jenny stamp and the stamp sheets that were created in 1918. 100 years ago, airmail stamps were introduced, and almost immediately the inverted airplane, inverted Jenny, was discovered when William Roby bought a sheet of 100 stamps for $24 and then sold it for $15,000 to stamp dealers a few weeks later. Now those stamps sell for between $200,000 and $1 million, depending on the condition. Really rare. Almost every collector would love to have one. So this is a sheet of stamps from the first printing, and it's a sheet of 100 stamps, and it's called the no-top sheet because you can see there's no plate numbers at the top. There's no plate numbers anywhere on the sheet. These sheets were printed in 100, and the plate numbers were trimmed off, and then the right was trimmed so the stamps sheet would be smaller and fit in the drawer for the post office clerks to sell. Well, after the error was discovered, all the stamps were removed from sale and checked, and any other inverts were destroyed. And then the Bureau of Engraving and Printing changed their process, and they created this sheet, and this is called the two-top. And so they, instead of the straight edge at the top, they switched it to trim the bottom and left the margin at the top, and they engraved top in red and blue in the plate. They started printing again, and the inspectors, no more errors were found because it was so easy to see, and also the printers that helped them print the stamps. What is this? This sheet is the rare one-top sheet, only blue. There's no top in red. And what happened is when the error was found, the Bureau stopped printing all their stamps, but some of the stamps were already printed in red and they were drying. And so a few days later, when the production restarted and the top was engraved in the plate, they finished these sheets. They didn't want to waste the money, and they printed it in blue, and so you have the blue one top. These sheets are very rare. Maybe there's 2 or 3 that exist. It's worth about $30,000. Now you know the story of the no top, one top, and two top sheets. Happy collecting.